Hello guys, I'm Mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to draw this sketch sample, and we will draw these lines, and we will apply the dimensions and relations, and we will make our sketch fully defined. Before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and post your comments. So let's get started as soon as it's possible. Here I have the SolidWorks open. For creating a new part, just click on new part. Okay. Now we have a new part. For drawing the sketch, we have three planes in SolidWorks. We have three standard planes. Front plane, top plane, and right plane, or we can create plane in the SolidWorks. I will tell you what's the use of these planes, but for drawing our sketch, please just click on the front plane and choose the sketch. First thing first, we have to start drawing our sketch from the origin point. So here I choose line, and here I draw a horizontal line. So here I draw a horizontal line. So you can see when I get close to the origin point, an orange point here appears. It means that if I click on the origin point, the line will be connected to the origin point. And you can see as I move the line here, a yellow symbol appears. And it means that if I click on the screen, the horizontal relation will be applied to my line. So I draw a horizontal line and a vertical line. So you can see a yellow symbol here, and a horizontal line, and a vertical line here, horizontal line, a vertical line, and a line here, here, and right click select, and here choose a 3-point arc and draw a arc. So the center of the arc must be this side of the sketch, and here choose the end of the arc, this point of the arc, and draw a horizontal line and connect the line to the origin point. Now we have to apply the relation. So the line here must be horizontal. So click on the line, and in add relation choose horizontal relation, and here choose this line, and in add relation give it vertical relation. And the arc here must be tangent to these two lines. So hold the control button and choose the arc here and the line here, and in add relation give it tangent relation, and do the same thing here, tangent relation. Let me find out what's the problem here. Here said the line can't be tangent to this one. So again, give the tangent relation. So if you can't see the relation, come in hide and show items and turn on the view sketch relation, and again give this line relation, tangent relation. Hold the control button and give these two entities tangent relation. Let me see what's the problem here. I think it's a bug of SolidWorks. Here I have a problem, and I don't know why here we have an error. So please delete this arc and again draw another arc. So I think it's a bug of SolidWorks. So hold the control button on your keyboard and choose this point and the point here and give it merge relation, and do the same thing here, merge relation, and again give the tangent relation, and here tangent relation, tangent relation. So here the lines are tangent, and now these 3 points must be vertical. So hold the control button and choose these 3 ones, and here vertical relation. So it was a I think bug of SolidWorks. So it's not very important. You saw that I have just deleted the arc and then I did it again. And now you have to apply the dimension. The dimension from this point to the point here is 50 millimeter, and dimension from this point to the point here, and the dimension is 20 millimeter, and the dimension from the point here and here must be 50 millimeter, and the dimension from this line to the origin point must be 40 millimeter, and the dimension of this line must be 10 millimeter, and the radius of the arc here must be 10 millimeter, the radius of the arc, and the dimension of this line must be 10 millimeter, and the dimension from this point to this point must be 30 millimeter. You can see my sketch is turning to black. It means that my sketch is becoming fully fine, and as I apply the dimensions, my sketch is becoming fully fine. So my sketch is not still fully fine because of the lines and the arc here. They are still blue, and my sketch is still moving. So you can see the sketch is still moving. We have to keep giving the dimensions. The dimension from this point to the point here must be 60 millimeter. And what dimension we have to apply? Yes, the dimension from this point, sorry, the dimension from this point to the point here must be, sorry, remove this dimension, again give the dimension. Dimension from this point to the point here must be 30 millimeter. Now my sketch is fully fine and everything is black, and here is fully fine. Please practice at home and do it yourself. It's very, very important to practice at home. And please watch my other videos. I have uploaded over 30 videos on my YouTube channel, and you can see my other videos. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments.